Content creators can make money in a variety of ways, including advertising revenue. Content creators can earn money by displaying ads on their videos, websites, or social media platforms. The revenue is generated from clicks on the ads or when someone watches the ads for a certain amount of time. Sponsorships and brand deals. Content creators can collaborate with brands and receive compensation for promoting their products or services. Merchandise sales. Content creators can sell merchandise, such as t-shirts, stickers, or other items related to their brand. Subscriptions and memberships. Content creators can offer exclusive content or perks to their supporters in exchange for a monthly fee. Crowdfunding. Content creators can use platforms like Patreon, Kickstarter, or GoFundMe to receive direct financial support from their fans. Online courses and ebooks. Content creators can create and sell online courses or ebooks based on their expertise. It's important to note that the amount of money a content creator can make will vary greatly depending on the size of their audience, the quality of their content, and the type of monetization methods they use.